AMUG is
Aggressive networking and excitement.
The exploration of future technologies in additive technology.
My family.
It's a great place to network for anybody in additive manufacturing.
A great place to connect with colleagues and competitors and ultimately drive new ways to innovate and create new solutions.
For users, by users.
Just an opportunity to learn so much about additive manufacturing. It's amazing how much knowledge people have here and they're willing to share.
The event I associate with camaraderie in the 3D printing industry.
A great place to network and meet people and push the technology for additive manufacturing.
The technical show for technical people to become more technical.
it's where friends come together.
A great chance to meet people and build relationships.
An awesome place to connect with other people in the industry and see customers we haven't seen in a while, and a lot of fun.
It's a very educational experience.
A great place to share knowledge and network with other people, kind of learn new things in the industry and kind of share things that have helped you and kind of push the technology further.